Hi everyone, welcome back to Bike Scout. Today, we're diving into one of the most reliable and best-selling commuter bikes in India, the 2025 Honda CB Shine 125. If you're someone who needs a stylish, fuel-efficient, and low-maintenance daily bike, then keep watching because this one might be just right for you, asterisk. The Honda CB Shine 125 has been a trusted name in the 125cc segment for over a decade, and the 2025 model takes that legacy forward with some modern upgrades. It's designed for those who want practical commuting with a touch of class, comfort, and reliability. Whether you're a student, office goer, or someone who just wants a no-fuss city bike, the Shine 125 continues to be a go-to option, asterisk. Let's talk about the design first. The 2025 CB Shine keeps its classic commuter look but adds new color schemes and subtle styling changes. The graphics are more refined, the tank design is slightly reshaped for better ergonomics, and the chrome touches on the exhaust and headlamp housing add a premium touch. The bike looks sleek and elegant without trying too hard, which is perfect for its target audience, asterisk under the tank. The bike continues to be powered by the tried and tested 124C single-cylinder, air-cooled, fuel-injected engine. This engine produces around 10.8 bhp at 7,500 revolutions per minute and 11 Newton-meters of torque at 6,000 revolutions per minute, which is more than enough for city commuting. The engine is refined, smooth, and comes with Honda's enhanced Smart Power ESP technology, which improves fuel efficiency and reduces friction. Asterisk, one of the biggest highlights of this bike is its fuel economy. Honda claims a mileage of around 65 kilometers per L, which is excellent for a 125cc bike. That means fewer visits to the petrol pump and more savings in your pocket, something every daily rider appreciates. Asterisk, the CB Shine 125 comes with a 5-speed gearbox, which is a welcome feature. This gives it smoother gear shifts and better cruising ability at higher speeds. It's also very comfortable to ride at 50 to 60 kilometers per hour without stressing the engine, which makes daily rides smooth and relaxing. Asterisk, in terms of ride quality, the Shine continues to deliver with telescopic front forks and dual hydraulic rear shock absorbers. The suspension setup is tuned for comfort, easily soaking up road bumps and speed breakers. Whether you ride alone or with a pillion, the bike handles well. In city traffic, the seat is long and well padded, making it ideal for everyday use and even short highway rides. Asterisk, the 2025 model comes in both drum and disc brake variants, with Honda's Combi brake system, CBS, as standard. This means better safety and shorter braking distances, especially useful in city conditions where sudden stops are common. Asterisk, now let's talk about features. The Shine is still a commuter at heart, so it doesn't come with a fully digital console or Bluetooth connectivity, but it does get a semi-digital instrument cluster, engine start, stop switch, and side stand engine cutoff. These small but practical additions make a big difference in everyday riding. Asterisk, in terms of build quality and reliability, the CB Shine continues to shine. Honda's reputation for engine durability and low maintenance is a big reason why people keep coming back to this bike. It also comes with a 3-year warranty package, which adds peace of mind for long-term usage. Asterisk, now let's talk pricing. The 2025 Honda CB Shine 125 is available in 2 variants. Asterisk, drum brake variant, 80,900 X showroom, asterisk, disc brake variant, 84,900 showroom, asterisk. The on-road price will depend on your city, but generally it falls between 95,000 to 1.05 lakh, making it an affordable and value for money package in the 125cc segment. Asterisk, to sum it up, the 2025 Honda CB Shine 125 is a bike that does exactly what it's meant to do, offer stress-free commuting, excellent mileage, great comfort, and Honda's unbeatable engine reliability. It may not have flashy features, but it doesn't need them. It's built to serve you every day without complaints, and it does that job extremely well. Asterisk, If you're planning to buy a dependable commuter that looks good, rides well, and won't empty your wallet, the Shine 125 is still one of the best options in the segment in 2025. Asterisk, thanks for watching this video on Bike Scout. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and hit that subscribe button for more bike reviews and updates. Ride safe, and see you in the next one.